I named Penny, but all the rest of them told me their names. So somebody asked me if I could ask Penny her real name. Hello, Penny. Okay, she's acknowledging. So, when we were on the road, I named you, didn't I? I named you. Yes. Look, she's going toward yes there. Okay, but I never asked you your name. So, would you please spell out your real name, please? Can you spell out your real name, the name before I gave you the name Penny? Okay, is that a D? Is that D? Can you let us know if that is D? Yes, okay. Okay, so your first letter is D. And is that your second letter is I? Is that an I? Yes, okay. And your third letter, D-I. Okay, is that an A or an N? Is that an A? D-I-A. Oh, yes, it's going to yes. Okay. D-I-A. Okay. D-I-A. Is that an N? Is that an N? Is that an N? Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's going to N. Okay. D-I-A-N. Is that another A? Is your name Diana? Oh, guys, I'm kind of embarrassed because I just named her Penny, Penny the Pendulum. Is your name actually Diana? Who gave you that name, please? Who gave you that name? G. Is that a G? Yes, okay. Who gave you that name, please? Wow, that's amazing. We actually have a Diana here and not a Penny. Oh, okay. Is that an O? Is that an O? Oh, yes, okay. And G-O. Is that a D? Are you saying God? Wow. Gosh, guys, I'm a little bit, God, my chest is pounding. Wow. That is just too crazy.